Koorsadan waxaa kugu bari doonaa sida loo qoro, loona aqriyo af Soomaaliga. Hi, I am teacher Abzi. Nice to meet you. And in this course, I'll be teaching you how to read and write the Somali language. This course is named Learn the Somali Language Reading and Writing from Scratch. We are going to start from the beginning and we will learn it step by step. Now, this course is for anyone who can't read and write a single Somali letter, anyone who struggles to contact any family member to chat on WhatsApp or maybe any other social media. And you probably know what happens when someone texts you or writes you Assalamu alaikum or said hi. You call them immediately because you can't write or read a single Somali letter. Also, if you wanted to pass your Somali writing exam, whether you were born and raised in abroad or in the country, then this course is for you. If you are someone who likes to write their own stories and backgrounds in Somali, or maybe you wanted to write a blog in Somali language, then this course is for you. And also, if you are a Somali parent who wants to teach their kids how to read and write the Somali language, then this course is for you as well. During this course, we are going to cover 5 modules, and each module contains 5 lessons. So that means we are going to cover 25 well-structured lessons and more than 2 hours of video lesson, and each lesson has its own downloadable files. And also, this isn't just an online course, it's more than that, because every time you complete one module, then you are going to meet the tutor via Zoom online meeting. So that means the tutor will test how you performed and learned in module 1. In addition to that, the whole course has its own book. So that means you can get the book and achieve more than I mentioned in the course. The book has an audio file, more than 30 Somali writing or spelling tests, and at the end of the book, you will get more than 15 topics to write them down. So I'll leave you the link to get that book somewhere in the description. And now I hope you are ready to start your journey of learning Somali language, writing and reading from zero to hero. See you in the course and enroll now. What are you waiting for? Nabadgelyo.